Hello everyone. I am Dr. Dipali Vavurde. Today I will talk on a very interesting topic in the online refresher course in academic leadership and institutional excellence for Viksit Bharat 2047, organized by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Sambhaji Nagar. Imagine that today is the year 2047. India is celebrating 100 years of independence. Our country has become one of the world's leading economies, a global innovation hub, and a center for quality education and technological advancement. Now, let me ask you a question. Who made this transformation possible? Was it only the government? Was it only the scientists? Was it only the industries? No. The true architects of Vikasit Bharat are the students who are sitting in the classroom today. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Education is not merely about obtaining a degree, its real purpose is to prepare individuals who can solve problems, create opportunities, lead society, and contribute to national development. Today's topic is Building Future Ready Graduates for Viksit Bharat 2047. These are the topics I am going to cover today in my today's talk. Before discussing future ready graduates, let us understand what is Viksit Bharat 2047. Viksit Bharat means a developed India by the year 2047. It envisions a nation that is economically strong, technologically advanced, environmentally sustainable, socially inclusive, and globally competitive. However, no nation can become developed without developing its people. The greatest resource of any nation is not its mineral or industries, it is its human capital. Therefore, our educational institution must prepare graduates who are capable of thriving in a rapidly changing world. What is a future ready graduate? Who is a ready graduate? A future ready graduate is not someone who simply earns high marks. A future ready graduate is someone who learns continuously, adapts to change, thinks independently, works effectively with others, uses technology responsibly, and leads with confidence. These graduates are prepared not only for jobs but also for innovation, entrepreneurship, research, and community service. Today, we will explore six essential skills that define a future ready graduate. Skill 1, critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information before accepting it as true. In today's digital age, information spreads rapidly through social media and AI tools. But is all information accurate? Certainly not. Suppose you receive a message claiming that tomorrow all examinations have been cancelled. Would you believe in it immediately? Of course not. You would verify it through official sources. That is critical thinking. Similarly, AI tools can provide useful information, but they can also make mistakes. Therefore, students must evaluate evidence, compare sources, and think independently. Critical thinkers become better researchers, professionals, and responsible citizens. Skill 2, creativity. Creativity means looking an existing problem from a different perspective. Many successful innovations began with a simple question: what if there were a better way? Think about online food delivery services. Someone imaginated bringing restaurants to customers instead of customers going to restaurants. A simple creative idea transformed an entire industry. Every professional values creativity. Teachers design innovative learning experiences, doctors develop better treatment methods, engineers invent smarter technologies, researchers discover new knowledge, creativity transforms ideas into innovations. Skill 3, communication. Communication is more than speaking fluently. It includes listening carefully, writing effectively, presenting confidently, and understanding others. Imagine that you have developed an excellent research project. However, during the presentation, you cannot explain it clearly. Will your audience appreciate your work? Probably not. Knowledge becomes meaningful only when it is communicated effectively. Good communication helps build confidence, teamwork, leadership, and employability. Skill 4, collaboration. Collaboration teaches respect, responsibility, adaptability, and shared leadership. Whether we look at healthcare, engineering, education, or scientific research, success depends on teamwork. Even organizing a college festival requires collaboration among different committees. As the saying goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Skill 5, digital literacy. Digital literacy is not simply using a smartphone or computer. It involves understanding digital tools, AI applications, cybersecurity, online collaboration, digital ethics, and responsible technology use. Artificial intelligence has become a valuable educational assistant. However, technology should enhance human intelligence, not replace it. The future belongs to graduates who combine digital skills with critical thinking and ethical values. Skill 6, leadership. Leadership is not about holding a position, leadership is about taking responsibility. A student who motivates team members, coordinates projects, resolves conflicts, and inspires others demonstrate leadership. The leaders of tomorrow must possess integrity, empathy, adaptability, and a commitment to lifelong learning. India needs such leaders across education, healthcare, research, governance, business, and technology. Let us take a case study. Imagine your college launches a green campus initiative. The goal is to eliminate single use plastics and create a sustainable campus. Which future ready skills would you need? Critical thinking to identify environmental challenges, creativity to design innovative awareness campaigns, communication to motivate students, collaboration to work in teams, digital literacy to promote the campaign through digital platforms, leadership to coordinate volunteers and inspire participation. This simple example demonstrates that these six competencies work together in solving real world problems. So, the conclusion is the future belongs not merely to degree holders but to lifelong learners. A future ready graduate is someone who thinks critically, creates innovative solutions, communicates effectively, collaborates with others, uses technology responsibly, and leads with integrity. If every educational institution nurtures these qualities, we will not only produce skilled professionals but also responsible citizens capable of realizing the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Education is not the preparation for the future. Education is the foundation upon which we build the future. Let us strive to become graduates who do not merely seek opportunities but create them, who do not simply follow change but lead it. Thank you for your attention.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।